Hi, my name is Julie Miller from My Florida Dreams, 574-276-2067. Today we're going to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Colony Cove in Ellenton, Florida. This is what we call a lanai. We spend a lot of time on our lanais here, and this is a very nice one. It's got a big ceiling fan. Should be nice and comfortable out here. It does have a wall-mounted air conditioner if it gets too warm. Into the living room. It's got newer carpet, decent furniture. Everything stays in this house except the nautical decor. This is a nice, clean, solid home. It has a new air conditioner that's only 3 months old. It's got a newer membrane roof. This is the kitchen. It's got a nice big airy kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. House is nice and clean. The lighting has all been updated. It has 2 lanais. This is the dining room. Built-in storage. This is the second lanai where the laundry is located. We're going to go into the guest bathroom. It's got a nice shower door, updated lighting, tiled shower, new vanity. I'm going to get to come on. Across the hall to the guest bedroom. It's big enough for probably a queen size bedroom suite in here. Nice big walk-in closet. Into the master bedroom. Remember, all this furniture is included. The master bedroom and both bathrooms are drywalled, even the ceiling. Into an updated master bathroom. You have a big walk-in closet, another new vanity. We have a linen closet here. These are updated toilets even, they're Jacuzzi brand. Nice walk-in shower. My name is Julie Miller, My Florida Dreams, 574-276-2067. Give us a call. Let's make this your Florida dream come true.